Welcome back to my video session. This will be lecture video session to understand all the elements and tags used in my previous practical session. Introduction to HTML5. The content inside this video will be what is HTML5, page structure, comments, doc type, headings, links, image, list, and figure. What is HTML5? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design web page using markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. Markup language is used to define the text document within tag which defines the structure of web pages. HTML5 means it's the fifth and current version of HTML. HTML page structure. The HTML structure composed of two parts, a declarative header section, a body which contains the document's actual content. The content inside the title elements will be shown in the browser title bar. The content inside the body section will be displayed in the browser. HTML comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser. Comments help document HTML source code. It can also hide more than one line. Everything between this tag and this tag, which is closing, will be hidden from the display. The doc type declaration. All HTML document must start with a document type declaration like this. The doc type declaration represents the document type and help browser to display web page correctly. It must also appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tag, as shown in this example. HTML headings. HTML heading is defined as the title or the subtitle which display on the web page. 6 different HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6 tag. H1 is the largest tag and H6 is the smallest one. So H1 is used for most important headings and H6 is used for least important. Here's the code and here's the browser's output. HTML paragraph. HTML p element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and a browser automatically adds some white line or space, a margin before and after a paragraph. HTML links or hyperlink, a link from a hypertext document to another location, activated by clicking on a highlighted word or image. When you move a mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. The HTML element defines a link. href attributes indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. HTML links are target attributes. The target attributes specifies where to open the linked documents. If you use self in target attributes, it's a default, or if you don't use, opens the document in the same window or tab as it was clicked. If you use a blank target, opens the document in new window or tab. If you use parents as the target attributes, opens the document in the parent frame. If you use stop in target attributes, opens the document in full body of the window. Absolute URL and relative URL. Here's the example. As you can see in both, Absolute URL, a full address, will be in href attributes. In relative URL, a local link to a page within the same website. HTML image. The HTML img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Image is not technically inserted into a web page but linked to a web page. As shown in this example, source is the name of the image and alt is the alternate text. If image fails to load, this alternate text will be shown in the browser. The source attributes specify the path to the image, and alt alternative attributes specify an alternate text for the image. Image as a link. Image as a link means putting img tag inside the a tag, as shown in this example. Link to an email address. Use mail to inside the href attributes to let them send a new mail or create link that opens user's email. If you use this inside href attributes, it will be linked to open a user email. HTML list. HTML list allows web developers to group a set of related items in a list. There are three types of list. They are ordered list, unordered list, description list. Unordered list. In this example, an unordered list starts with ul tag. Each list item starts with li tag embedded inside ul tag. Ordered HTML list. An ordered list starts with ol tag. Each list item starts with li tag embedded inside ol tag. Description list is shown in this example. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. DL tag defines the description list. DT tag defines the term. DD tag describes each term. HTML hr tag. hr tag defines a thematic break to display a horizontal rule used to separate content in HTML page, as shown in this example. Use a hr tag. HTML pre-tag. The pre-tag defines pre-formatted tags. The text in a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, and text preserves both space and line breaks. The text will be displayed exactly as written in the HTML source code, as shown in this example. This is a browser's output. HTML figure and fig caption. The figure tag specifies self-contained content like illustration, diagram, photo, quote, listening, etc. The fig caption element is used to add a caption to a figure element, as shown in this picture. A div tag. A div tag defines a division or the section in an HTML document. The div tag is used as a container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. The div tag is easily styled by using the class or ID attributes. Any sorts of content can be put inside the div tag, for example, video, paragraph, headings, etc. Thank you.